This is ShopHops, an MCP server that connects Claude directly to a store's internal database. Orders, inventory, customers. Let me ask it something a normal dashboard can't answer. Here's the question. Which of last week's top 5 revenue products won't survive 2 more weeks at current sales velocity? Watch how it works. First, it calls Revenue Summary, pulling last week's sales ranking straight from the database. Then it calls Low Stock Report to project how long each product's inventory will last, and cross-references the two itself. Here's the catch it finds. 2 products are about to run out, the Alpine tent and the Alpine headlamp. The Alpine tent was last week's #1 seller, around 66% of revenue, yet it's down to roughly 0.9 weeks of stock. It runs dry in under a week. It even flags its own assumption. That projection uses a 28-day velocity, while last week is just a single-week snapshot. Now a write operation. I ask it to flag order ORD 10436 for chargeback risk. Notice it doesn't just do it, it shows a preview first, the exact order, the customer, and the change. Then it stops and waits. Only after I confirm does it actually write to the database. This is what clients care about most. Destructive actions sit behind an explicit confirmation gate. One more, is this customer a serial returner? Claude pulls her history and says no. 4 orders, 1 return, but that single return is her largest order, over $1,000, more than the other 3 combined, and it's the one already flagged for chargeback. Lifetime value, $1,900, not a habit, just one order that went sideways. And here's how it pulls in the rules. From the connector menu, it loads the store's own policy handbook as a resource. So when it makes that call, it's applying your written policy, not guessing. This demo runs on SQLite, but the same server sits just as easily on Postgres or Shopify. The tools don't change. If you want Claude wired into your own systems, the link's below.